Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax in Houston. I'm aboard the 375 Freedom from Grady White. This is the new 2019 model. We're really excited about this boat for several reasons. Starting at the back, we've got the new 425 Yamahas on the back. Huge V8 engines with lots of power, lots of torque. This is an awesome boat for doing just about anything you can dream up. We've got a refrigerated fish box on the back that actually runs off the generator or your shore power. You'll notice we have an awesome dive door here on the side, great for landing larger fish or for scuba diving. There's a boarding ladder that comes with it. We still have your conventional door in the back. Huge bait well here. A lounge chair that folds out electrically on this side. We've got a wonderful outdoor kitchen on this side of the boat. Electric grill also runs off the generator. Nice refrigerator, little wet bar. The neat thing about this boat is it's great for fishing, diving, and dinner cruising because it's got an open bow on it. You'll notice in the bow we have a couple of tables that actually lower. We've got the seat cushion on one of them so you can see that the table lowers to make a little lounge area or an extension for your sunning bed. And in each console, we've got some neat features. This side console on the port side of the boat actually has a really nice sleeper with an electric bed. There's even a bed back underneath us here. So you could actually sleep 4 people in here. On this side of the boat, a really large air-conditioned head system. Great boat for day cruising or overnighting or long fishing excursions. This boat's fully equipped with all the electronics from Garmin you could want, computer gauges from Yamaha. We've got bow thruster and joystick on here. So this is a real easy boat to operate for anybody in the family. Great boat for doing just about anything you can imagine. And we have it here at MarineMax in Houston. My name's Paul. Come see us and we'll show you how it runs.